Hey builders, I'm James, and today we're going to solve one of the biggest pain points in ML operations, getting your battle-tested, pre-trained models from any platform working where your data actually lives, in Snowflake, without any data movement or complex integrations. In the next few steps, you'll see an example of how to port your existing SageMaker model into Snowflake's model registry, and start running Inference immediately. I'll show you how taking models built anywhere and running in production on Snowflake data is easy and can be done in less than 5 minutes. Let's dive in. First, we need to take care of authentication. I've already uploaded 2 critical files into my SageMaker environment. A connection file with our Snowflake connection details, and also our private key for secure authentication. This connection file points to our Snowflake account, specifies our service user, and reference to our private key. The key here is using the service account we set up earlier. Now, let's establish our Snowflake connection. Perfect. We've connected and authenticated. Here's where the magic happens. Registering your SageMaker model in Snowflake's model registry. In seconds, your SageMaker model is now registered in Snowflake. Boom! Your SageMaker model is now running Inference directly in Snowflake. And there it is, builders. In under 5 minutes, we've taken a production SageMaker model and made it a first-class citizen in Snowflake ML. The key benefits you just unlocked: no data movement, same model performance, Snowflake governance and security, and ready for production inference at scale. And that's it, builders. Now go port those models and run your inference pipelines in production faster, cheaper, and more securely. Don't forget to subscribe and check out for links below in the description. I'll catch you next time.